Shit.
Good job.
Don't move.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Oh!
Visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh?
Smog is in fact.
You need to point it out.
Oh! Don't take it. See what you did? Could've just dropped it.
I want to take another. Taking it.
Try it.
Oh,
Stop me.
perfect. Oh, look at that.
Reflection is really cool.
What? Oh, I hate you. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome.
Oh.
Sure, you can come along. Stand. You're not even under it, stupid. Come on, kid. I'll take you to the ends of the earth. A flower once told me, "Man, Undyne is so cool." Thanks for interrupting me. She beats up bad guys and never loses. We'll see about that. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. Well, as I was saying, a flower once told me, "If kill or be killed, where's your body?"
Was it that flower?
Oh. So one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. We ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers.
Ah.
How do I get to that?
Why is Serene there and not there?
I don't know, man. Weather. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Well, I'm sure she's fine with hurting me then.
Ooh.
Oh, this is really pretty. Hello. Are we gonna make out right now? No.
I guess not.
Where you going?
You scared him away.
Sorry. What's up, dude? Okay, alright, whatever.
I want to make that my background.
It's cool, right? Alright,
No. You're evil.
Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Put up your umbrella and climb up on my shoulders. Alright.
I mean, I guess.
Thanks for the lift. Okay. I'm sure you do. Weirdo. Oh.
It's gonna break his face when
Right.
it is.
The humans, afraid of our power, declared war on us. They attacked suddenly and without mercy. Fucked up.
Oh, you don't say.
The serene sound of a distant music box. It fills you with determination. Cool. Wow, yeah, there's no box here. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful and us monsters too weak. Not a single soul was taken, and countless monsters were turned into dust.
Wow. Hardcore.
Whoa. I feel like...
Undyne.
Good call. Yeah, right when you said that. Yeah. Oh.
Nah, you're fine. Oh, never mind.
I'll be alright. Going. Whoa. Whoa. This is cool.
It's like some Power Rangers music.
Right? I got
Whoa.
this.
Sure you went the right way?
Nope. Ooh. Don't mess with me. Oh.
It doesn't look like you went the right way.
Oh. I thought it was just gonna go to the next screen.
Nope.
Is that it? Is this the way out? Nope. Where am I going?
Oh, oh, oof.
Oh. I'm guessing down. Right? Nope. Is this...
Oh, there it looks.
This looks right. It tricks me, dude.
Nice.
Oh.
There you go. Nope.
Stop. I did it.
Had to make it
Or-
more dramatic. Now what?
I gotta go back. Oh no. Here we go. What's up?
Oh.
Oh man. Whoa.
Does it look like I give a fuck?
Whatever, I fall all the time.
That's how I got here.
Sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here,
Hurry up!
get up. Wendy, huh? That's a nice name. My name is...
Conveniently placed flowers.
Seriously. Oh,
Is that water?
yeah. Oh, I guess I can... Cool. Ooh,
Those houses?
piles of garbage. There are quite a few brands you recognize. Same. Okay. Alright. Waterfall here seems to flow from the ceiling of the cavern. Occasionally, a piece of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss below. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage, it fills you with determination.
If this trash can get here.
Alright, that's a bike.
Right it.
You rest your hand on the rusted bike. Its horn wheezes a honk of despair.
Like that?
Yeah, sure. A beat-up desktop computer. The inside is empty. Okay? It's a cooler. It has no brand, and shows no signs of wear. Inside are a couple freeze-dried space food bars. Take one? Yes. You're carrying too much. Of course I am.
Another dog. Whoa.
Dog residue.
A dog poop?
Dog residue, dog item. Glowing crystals secreted by a dog.
Dog poop.
Alright, hold on. I got it. Okay, this I can drop. I'm just gonna drop the shit. Yes. You got the astronaut food. Okay, cool. It's a DVD case for an anime. Desperate claw marks cover the edges, okay?
What's the dummy?
Seems like a regular training dummy. Do you want to beat it up? Yes. You punch the dummy at full force. Feels good. Telling me.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh!
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 So angry. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Oh, no. I am a ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too until
Oh, are you the one that
you destroyed their home. Us ghosts spend our whole lives looking for a proper vessel. Slowly, we grow closer to our new bodies. Until one day, we too become corporeal beings. Beings able to laugh, love, and dance like any other. But you, my cousin's future, you took it all away. Despicable, despicable, despicable.
Good energy.
Human, I hope you're not too attached to your body, because your soul's about to get evicted. Okay.
Oh.
Foolish, foolish, foolish. Even if you attack my vessel, you'll never hurt me. I'm still incorporeal, you dummy. Wait, is dummy a compliment?
Oh, creepy.
Oh, what? Oh! You dummies, watch where you're aiming your magic attacks. Hey, you, forget I said anything about magic. Alright, futile, futile, futile. Got him. Got him.
Nice.
That dummy is bossing around its bullets.
Doing any damage?
No, but I do it anyway. I'll defeat you. sorry, skip that one. Oh, darn it, didn't get him.
Learning.
That dummy is doing an armless ska dance. I'm really messing up the dummy though. I'll use your soul to cross the barrier. Oh shit. I figured if I stay in the middle, it'll eventually hit him. That dummy glares into a mirror and then turns you to you with the same expression. At least I know how to do the ballet shoes attack. Stand in the window of a fancy store. Or is it only over here? Oh, I got him. Getting cotton all over the dialogue box. And everything I want will be mine. Oh, jeez. Got him. Oh.
Yeah, close enough.
I guess that I'll avenge my cousin. Oh,
Like how
shoot, I messed up. Darn it.
I like how it still gives you an option to spare them.
Yeah. You can always kind of go back on it. What was their name again? Come on. There we go. The dummy is getting caught. How do I... Is there anything else I can do? No. Whatever, whatever, whatever.
I mean, I guess like it's hurting.
Yeah. Shoot! I gotta... Okay. Did a little more damage. Oh my god. Die. How do I know how much damage I'm doing to you?
Oh, the life bar isn't even going down.
Yeah. Does he have a life bar?
Yeah, you didn't see it?
No, I didn't. Hey guys. Oh!
Looks like you're doing
Dummies,
something.
dummies. Remember how I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures, you're fired. You're all being replaced. Haha, okay. Now you'll see my true power, relying on people that aren't garbage. Mechanical words fill the room. Dumb bot's magic missile.
Still magic.
Oh! Whoa!
Okay, you gotta dodge it once and then leave it a
Yeah,
second.
okay. Just practicing those.
Ah, sure.
And then come this way. Fuck! Fuck.
Nice.
I got him.
Got him.
Fuck.
Got him.
That dummy glares into a mirror.
It's a crazy boss fight.
Yeah, this is weird. I was gonna get him. Fuck. Get him! Oh, I
Nice.
nailed him. No way. These guys are even worse than the other guys. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I don't need friends.
What a brat.
Whoa.
Oh, shit.
I've got knives. Ha! Alright.
Good job.
I'm out of knives. But it doesn't matter. You can't hurt me and I can't hurt you. You'll be stuck fighting me forever. Forever. Forever.
Oh, dude.
Jeez. Whoa. Whoa. What the heck is this? Acid rain. Oh, forget it. I'm out of here. Oh, I think I know. Napstablook.
Hey.
Sorry, I interrupted you, didn't I? As soon as I came over, your friend immediately left. Oh no, you guys looked like you were having fun. Oh wait, didn't you attack me before? That's awkward. Sorry, have a nice day.
God damn it.
That's pretty funny. Well, I'm going to head home now. Just warning you so you don't accidentally follow me to my house. You probably wouldn't like that.
Do it.
Following you.
Invade his privacy.
Oh. Oh, hey, you followed me. My house is up here, so you probably don't want to come this way. Hope that helps. Got an ice cream. Cool.
Now I know what's next group.
Oh, these heal you. I always forget. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, god damn it. I'm wasting shit. Alright, I'm gonna go to that dude's house. Is it this one? It's locked. That one's locked. Hey, what's up? Oh, hey, you followed me into my house. Make yourself at home?
Where's the music?
This CD is labeled Spook Tunes.
Where's Sons?
I don't know, I haven't seen them all. Play it? Yes.
Alright. I mean, yeah.
Oh, it just keeps playing. Oh, are you hungry? I can get you something to eat. This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? No? Oh.
Weird his feelings.
After a great meal, I like to lie on the ground and feel like garbage.
Jeez.
It's a family tradition. Do you want to join me?
Yes, because you killed the lesser dog and the greater dog and
Alright,
Turio.
fine, I'll join you.
And the
Okay.
couple and Papyrus.
Follow my lead. I feel like garbage. Here we go. You'll lie down as long as you don't move. So, only move around when you want to get up, I guess. This is great.
Whoa. What the fuck? Stop. Stop.
This is cool.
I got something to add to this. Did you know that the brain named itself? Oh my god. The brain. It named itself. It's amazing. I'm in his paws. Brains are like smart. And stuff. Whoa. Shit.
I'm getting up. That was nice. Thank you. I got ghost sandwich in my mouth. Welcome.
You need to rest up from lying down, I guess.
Wow, music sharing. Nice.
Could it possibly be?
It's on TV. Oh, that's my TV. There's a show I like to watch on it sometimes. I'm gonna keep working on that mix CD. Oh, this CD is labeled Spook Wave. Wow. Play it? Play
The same thing. Oh, so a spook tune's like chiptune?
Yeah.
Alright.
And then this is probably like chill wave or vaporwave. I don't know.
Holiday music.
Holiday music.
Can only
Play it?
imagine.
Play it.
It's the same thing.
I get it. Fuck your house.
Wait, did you go in the house next to it?
Yeah, it's locked.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm tired. Oh, shot.
Is this music gonna play forever?
See what you did?
What the heck is that music? I don't know, dude, but it's spooking me out. This is worse than Shiren. No way. Shiren is way less scary.
I'm pretty sure Shiren.
Okay. If you're so scared, why do you keep winking? These are winks of fear. Forget it. This beat is too filthy. Whoa, filthy beat, don't leave me. Is this creepy music my punishment for being creepy? A little bit. Please stop, I'll never creep again.
I think that's based on like an actual mythological creeper. I think it's called a kelpie.
I have no idea.
No, I'm telling you.
Okay.
I think it's called a kelpie. It's like half fish, half horse, and like it lures people in and then kills them.
Oh wow.
Yeah, of course you'd pick Spook Wave.
Yeah, I'd prefer it. If I have to listen to something. Oh.
Hey, look, another dummy.
Doesn't seem like anyone's home. Alright. Wait, what's that? What? What? It's a living.
What's a little thing?
It's a living.
What's
Get it?
a thing?
Because he's a dummy. He doesn't know anything.
I got it. Hey, duck.
This little bird wants to carry you across. Accept the bird's offer? Sure.
Okay. Is it gonna drop you halfway through?
No, this is pretty epic.
That is. That was amazing.
Thanks, bird.
Could have fucking swam across. Could just walk.
Oh, we're here. Sure.
Weren't you just here?
Yes. Yeah, I don't need anything. When I was down here, it looked like there were a bunch of other ways to go. Like over there, to the left, there's like a bridge. I thought you could get over there somehow. Wait, what? Up. I'm gonna go up. There's an echo flower. What's this way?
Oh.
Yeah, it was this thing. There's nothing here either. What are you? Is this a puzzle? What is this? What are you?
Alright, dude. I gotta call it. I'm falling asleep.
Alright. We'll continue this next time. We'll just
We'll do this tomorrow.
yeah, we can do this tomorrow, and we'll probably get through most, if not the whole game tomorrow. But I'll start chopping up this footage.
Cool.
But first, I gotta get back across.
Good job.
Alright. So, there's a save over here, right?
Yeah, right there.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Don't forget it heals you.
Yeah. You feel a calming tranquility. You're filled with determination. Yay. Alrighty. Well, let's get out of here. How do I quit?
Yeah, dude, I'm sorry. Just like for the past bit, I've just